Stephanie. We're gonna do laser. This is specials that she has going on.
I just want to go over a little post-treatment instructions. So immediately after your treatment, it's expected for you to have some redness and bumps at the treatment area. It lasts about 2 hours and then it will go away. I always send you home with aloe vera cream, a little bit of hydrocortisone to kind of calm the bumps, and then sunscreen. You can wear makeup after the treatment. I would suggest if you didn't have anywhere to go today, just go makeup free the rest of the day. Your skin breathe and it will help the healing process very much. You want to avoid sun exposure to any areas that you do laser. Obviously, I'm not telling you to become an inside person, but wear SPF every day.
Yeah.
You should wear SPF every day generally, and it will help prevent wrinkles and sunspots.
Yeah.
So you should just pick up the habit starting today.
I'm trying to find a good one.
I use COPPERTONE Clearly Sheer Faces. I use the SPF 50. They have one in SPF 30, but the 51 is the way to go for your face. And then I use the spray. So what I do in the morning is after I wash my face and I've toned it, this is like my moisturizer for the day. I put my moisturizer on, I let it dry, and then I put my makeup on. And it soaks really, it absorbs really well with it. Your
Even with
sunscreen.
flash photography, you don't see a white face or anything.
Is it good for sensitive skin?
It is.
Because I have
for
like really
sensitive
sensitive
skin. I have
skin.
really sensitive skin, and it helps out really. I don't break out. I don't have any redness. I've tried so many different types, like even upper end, high end, and this one has always been good to go. For about 2 to 3 hours, say I'm in the sun running errands or I'm just like out shopping, I always have this like in my purse with me, and I just do a touch up, and that way it'll give you sun protection all day long. Because essentially your SPF is only good for about 2 to 3 hours, and then it fades. So this one's really light. I'll just spray it on your skin, and it never interacts with the makeup.
Can I have one?
Yeah, unfortunately I can never. I used to buy it at Walmart, and then all of a sudden it went away. So I've been buying mine at TJ Maxx. This one's $4.99, and this one is, this is $4.99 as well. But it's honestly the best sunscreen I've ever used, so I will like search the ends of the earth. You want to avoid any picking or scratching at the skin, and not to use any hair removal products. So like I said, if you need to do like touch-ups, you can do the shaving, and always shave in one direction. You can shower, it says 12 hours, this is for your body, and you always just use a gentle soap with it. Exfoliation is key for you to help unroof all of the dead skin and to release the dead hair that is stuck in the pore. So about 2 days after your treatment, you want to take a washcloth, a warm washcloth with water, and your facial cleanser or your body wash or wherever you did it, and you can just do gentle exfoliation and circular motions around the area. So it's going to unroof the dead skin cells, and it's going to release any of that dead hair that's in the pore. Hair regrowth happens at different stages. We generally want you to come every 4 to 6 weeks for the first sessions. Excuse me. And then afterwards, you can touch up every 3 to 6 months. Usually for your Brazilian or your underarm areas, you'll come in every 3 to 6 months, touch up after you've done your 6 sessions, and you'll be good to go for that season or for the rest of those months. And if you have any questions, you can always call our office.
This is like hurt. Do I need to put like ointment on it?
It's the like a tickling feeling. Other places I would recommend the numbing cream, but if it's too painful for you, we can give you the numbing cream on the next. But it's pretty tolerable.
Okay.
You ready? Now I just have to tuck your upper lip in. This one will tip a little. Okay, breathe. And last one. Okay, there you go. So this is a little just aloe vera gel. It will help smooth the skin. There you go. I think you're all set. Do you have any questions?